All right, so let's talk about the cephalic vein. Now, when we're doing upper extremities, we're not normally doing all the deep veins, jugular, subclavian, axillary, brachial veins. But then you get the basilic vein, which is going to be here, medial, and then the cephalic vein, which you can kind of see right there. Okay? Now, it can be a difficult vein. It's very superficial. You can collapse it very easily. And some people, when they have a lot of IVs over time, the vein gets blown out, sclerosed. They no longer have that vein there. Other smaller veins, collaterals, will take over that. Now, some people like me don't even have a vein there. So you see I have smaller veins there, but there's no actual main cephalic vein going over my bicep. So let's look at that. So we're gonna use the L624. So this one goes with 24 megahertz. Very good for finding things like superficial vessels. And right here, my cephalic vein is extremely easy to find. Now what you wanna do, what you don't wanna do is press real hard because you're gonna collapse it. So if you're looking for the cephalic vein and you have a lot of transducer pressure, you're not gonna see anything. So release the pressure and there it is. All right, as it goes down, it becomes the median antecubital vein, which you have to angle in order to get right there. And over here is the basilic. So right there. Obviously, the basilic is deeper when it's more proximal. But then that's going to also split into the median antecubital vein right there. That's right there. And then they split again, and you'll go the cephalic vein in the forearm, and then the other basilic vein in the forearm there. And there's going to be a lot of other, secondary branches and perforators that go into from the deep system. Now let's look at the left. Oh, I'm sorry, my right. All right, so here, same thing. Light transducer pressure, and there's nothing. You can see small vessels maybe, like right there. Very tiny. You can say that's maybe just an atretic cephalic vein. Maybe I was just born with a small cephalic vein there. But you can imagine if you're scanning somebody and they've had a lot of IVs or a lot of intravascular procedures, you're going to be a little wary of calling that the basilic vein. All right, but my basilic, calling that the cephalic vein. You're going to be a little wary of calling that the cephalic vein, but my basilic vein is normal. It's right there. And then I'll have a lot of little collateral vessels that are doing the work of the cephalic vein on my right arm. So that's something to keep an eye on. If you're scanning upper extremities, the cephalic vein can be a little tricky. Oftentimes I'll search. If I don't see it, I'll just write cephalic vein area, take pictures with and without color, and that's it. Because if it's thrombosed, you are going to see it. All right, I hope this helps. Thank you.